In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to earn over $200 in less than 2 hours of work. No fluff, no BS, and just straight to the point. The strategy that I'm going to use today is to take advantage of high quality referral rewards, which is to sign up for an app or service using a referral link and doing easy tasks to get rewarded with cash or crypto. Over the last 5 years, I've researched and compiled a list of apps and services that only offer legitimate rewards. Here are the best ones. The first method is the Coinbase sign-up bonus and learning rewards. If you don't know what Coinbase is, it's an exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. It currently has a promotion that gives you $20 in Bitcoin for free. To get it, you must sign up for Coinbase using the link in the description of the video and complete the verification process. After that, deposit and buy at least $20 worth of crypto like Bitcoin. You'll then receive $20 in Bitcoin for free within 48 hours. Coinbase also has a feature called Learn and Earn. Supported countries can complete short quizzes and earn more than $6 in learning rewards. This includes SHPing, Near Protocol, and more. To participate in it, you need to go to coinbase.com, select Learning Rewards, and complete all of the quizzes there. If you don't know the answers to the quizzes, you can search them up on Google. The second method is FreeCash, which is a website that allows you to make money by completing simple tasks. They currently have a sign-up bonus worth between 5 cents to $250. To get the bonus, you need to sign up for FreeCash using the link in the description of the video. After you have signed up, select Win up to $250 on the top left and enter the code FollowChain. Lastly, select Open Case to get your reward. Other than the sign-up bonus, you can complete tasks to get money. Examples include downloading and playing a mobile game, completing surveys, doing quizzes, and more. I've tested this website out myself and earned a few $100s doing them, so they are 100% legit. I also managed to cash out using PayPal, as shown in the screenshots. Cashing out to PayPal is almost instant, and FreeCash charges a 5% fee. The only requirement is that you need to make a minimum of $5 on the website before you can cash out, and you also need to complete a short verification process. The third method is Revolut, which is a popular finance app in the UK, US, and France. A lot of people don't know this, but you can earn more than $20 in crypto rewards by completing short quizzes on the app. To do so, click the link in the description of the video and sign up on the Revolut website. After that, download the Revolut app on your phone and sign in with your new account. On the Revolut app, select Crypto, select Learn, and complete all of the quizzes there. After you've completed all of the quizzes, you'll earn about $20 USD in free crypto. By using this method, I've earned a total of $25.30 in free crypto. The fourth method is the Moonshot sign-up bonus. If you don't know what Moonshot is, it's an app where you can buy and sell meme coins. They currently have a referral bonus that allows you to get between $3 to $100 in free meme coins by simply depositing $5 into the app. To get started, click the Moonshot link in the description of the video and click on the download button. Secondly, open the Moonshot app and complete the sign-up process. Thirdly, you must deposit at least $5 using a debit or credit card. After you've deposited $5, you need to wait for up to 24 hours. Then, go to the homepage of the app and you'll see a pink referral bonus card. Lastly, select Claim your free meme coins and you'll get between $3 to $100 in free meme coins. Here are the probabilities of the referral bonus from the reward pool. You can pause the video if you're interested. The final method is the Moomoo welcome bonus for new users. It's an app that allows you to buy stocks, ETFs, and options. The standard welcome reward is free $20 in cash, which is the easiest to obtain. To get it, you must first sign up for the app in the link in the description of the video. Select Start Now and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process on the Moomoo website. After you have created an account on the website, download the Moomoo app on your phone and log in. Lastly, link your bank account, deposit $100, and you get $20 for free. You can also complete 3 extra tasks to get up to $467, but they require larger deposits. Do note that Moomoo frequently changes its welcome rewards, so the rewards may vary. If you are interested in using Moomoo to invest in US stocks, I've made a quick guide about it on my channel. You can watch it right after this video. If you use the 5 methods that are mentioned in this video, you should be able to earn more than $200 in less than 2 hours of work. However, you need to keep in mind that the referral rewards from the apps and services might change. So, if a link doesn't work or an offer is different, please leave a comment under this video and I'll get back to you. Like and subscribe for part 2.